Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So I was breezing through all my favorite cosmetic stores and noticed that everybody has the Amrezy palette from ABH on sale. Now, would it shock you if I said I've never done a look with it? So we're going to try it out and see what I think and if I would recommend you go buy it. It's on a really good deal. It's like $30 or something. Something like that. So, yeah, we're gonna, I'm actually gonna put my eye makeup on first before I do anything else, and we'll go from there. We'll just go from there. So the first thing I'm gonna use is some eye primer. I happen to just be using the ABH. This primer from ABH goes a very long way. So, yeah, see? The other thing that Beauty Bay has on sale is all of the Norvina minis palettes that came out. We'll do a look with those too in another video so you guys can see it. I'll try and get them out this weekend because it's a 4th of July sale. And yeah. Ooh, yeah. So today's tattoo day. Oh, yeah. It's fine. It's fine. We got this. It's fine. All right. So I do believe we are going to do a little bit of a purple look with this. And yeah, we're just going to make it happen. So I'm going into this shade right here first, just to kind of do some stuff. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get the sticker off of the mirror on the palette so that I can see me. Yeah. That's just going to be like a transition shade for us. Kind of use it to control. There's a lot of kick up in the pan, but you know, we're all right with that. That stuff doesn't bother us. That stuff bother those other girls. We don't care. Okay, the next shade I'm going to go into is this purple shade right here. And yeah, we're just going to see what that does. I am pouncing it on my lid and into the crease. And we will just blend that out. Yeah. I don't think I've ever heard anybody dislike this palette, so yeah, it's a little skippy, but that's probably because I have an eye primer on, and I don't normally do that. Oh, yesterday, huge shopping, huge, yeah. It's funny because, like, I got my bonus, and then a little bit extra, but I've done good. I have actually paid a couple things off, just some small things. Don't keep a lot of debt anymore. And I have gone hog wild shopping. Hog wild. Yeah, girls, I have, and I know you're shocked about it. Got some more stuff coming in. I've shown you guys some of the stuff I've gotten. I've got more stuff coming in. I did buy a few things for our house that we just needed. We needed it. But that's the way it goes. Okay. house chasing something in her crate, because that's what she do. Okay, we're gonna go into this shade right here, this Cupcake. See what we think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very monochrome. We might put some black in this. Yeah. Just to add some dimension. All right. I do like that. I need a much tinier, precise brush to do the black. I'm not even gonna try and do this with something big. Where's my baby blending brush? So, yeah. Black. 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 What do we think? What do we think about that? Ooh, my hands are shaking today. I think that's good. It was fine without it, but I think I want to, you know, really add something to it. And the black is doing the trick. All right, let's get this cleaned up with me doing the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. The only thing I need to do is to put some of this in my inner corner, and I think we're gonna go in with this Babs shade right there and do this. Oh, Babs needs to be shook up a little bit. Not that it's hard pan, it's kind of, it's hard to explain. It's moving when I press hard, but I think it like wants to be wet. But for my inner corner, this is all we need, just a little bit. So, yes, this is my look with this Amrezy, and I actually am in love. Love it. Okay. Love you guys so much. I'll be back with some more palettes that are on sale this weekend, and you guys can decide if you like it or not. I love you guys so much. Mwah.